Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel for baking. Now in this last video that I showed you how to make the double chocolate chip muffins. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make the ginger and cinnamon muffins. First of all, this is 1 egg. And to addition to that, there's 200 grams of caster sugar and whisk it together. Whisk it all together until it is fluffy. Now in this bowl, sift 350 grams of plain flour, one and a half tablespoons of baking powder, two teaspoons of ground cinnamon, two teaspoons of ground ginger, and half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Whisk it through in this bowl. Once you've sifted the dry ingredients into this bowl, make a well in the centre. Next of all is 175 grams of black treacle and 225 grams of butter. First of all is to melt the butter and treacle together in a small pan. Once that is heated, leave this mixture to cool until it's a little bit cool. Once the treacle and butter mixture is cooled a little, put it in the dry ingredients. And also add the egg and sugar mixture. And mix it all together. Mix it all together. Then stir this milk into the mixture. This is 125 milliliters. Let's stir that till it's like a liquidy mixture. Once you stir the milk into the mixture, finally add in some 125 milliliters of sour cream. And blend that in to the mixture. Next, what to do is to pour in the batter with the muffin mixture, muffin cases. These are the muffin mixtures that have been divided into equal parts of muffin cases. Now we're going to put these in the oven for 20 minutes for 180 degrees C. I'll pause the video now and you're going to be shown what it looks like after it's been done. These are the muffins that have been done and baked out of the oven for 20 minutes. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial with me for these muffins, and I hope you liked it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipe tutorials and recipe posts as well. And don't forget to comment down what recipes you'd like to see next. So for me, bye for this tutorial.